Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Gusto kong magbigay ng reaksyon sa isang viral na video sa social media tungkol sa pagdating sa Pilipinas ng three aircraft bombers, tinatawag na B-2 Spirit stealth bombers. Ito na po yung pinakamatindi, pinaka-deadliest aircraft ng United States of America. Dito sa videong ito, tatlo daw ang dumating sa Pilipinas. Binasa ko sa mga comments, ang daming naniniwala, ang daming natutuwa. Marami rin ang natakot, nagpanik na doon ba ito? Signaling na ba ng giyera between China and the Philippines? Okay, panoorin muna natin itong video na ito, pinost ng Military Information Channel. Okay, itong B-2 still hindi po ito ma-detect ng radar ng kalaban. Stealth nga, parang paniki ang itsura niya at napaka-deadly. So kung totoong nandito, anong ibig sabihin nun? Delikado na tayo. But mamaya magbigay ako ng reaksyon kung ano ba, totoo ba ito o fake news. Para noorin muna natin tong video na ito. Yan na yung aircraft.
U.S. deploys 3 B-2 Spirit bombers in Philippines. China urges withdrawal. Manila, July 1st, 2024. China has urged the United States to recall 3 B-2 Spirit stealth bombers that were recently deployed to Clark Military Base in the Philippines on Saturday, June 29th, 2024. The arrival of these advanced aircraft in the South China Sea region sparked concerns and tensions in the region.
Okay. So,
Say goodbye
nagpatalas
to
na
old
naman.
costly cable TV once and for all. This revolutionary invention gives you access to your favorite.
The Chinese government stated that the deployment of the B-2 Spirit was a provocation and violation of China's territorial sovereignty. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian said in a statement on Sunday, June 30th, 2024, that China firmly opposes the presence of the aircraft and urged the U.S. to immediately withdraw them. Zhao Lijian also added that China reserves the right to take necessary measures to safeguard its sovereignty and security. This statement led to speculation about possible countermeasures from China, such as increased military activity in the South China Sea or joint military exercises with other countries in the region. The U.S., on the other hand, defended its decision to deploy the aircraft. Pentagon spokesman John Kirby said in a statement on Sunday, June 30th, 2024, that the B-2 Spirit deployment was part of a routine rotation of forces and was not intended to intimidate or threaten anyone. The B-2 Spirit deployment to the Philippines is part of a routine rotation of U.S. forces in the Indo-Pacific region. However, the timing and location of the deployment this time is considered a strong signal from the U.S. to China about its commitment to maintaining security in the region. The B-2 Spirit is a long-range stealth bomber capable of carrying large payloads of nuclear and conventional weapons. Its ability to fly undetected by radar makes it an important strategic asset for the U.S. in the face of potential conflict with China.
Okay. So, ito ang lamang ng US over Russia and China. They are trying to copy, i-duplicate ito, kailang hindi nila makaya. Talagang hindi ma-detect ng radar itong stealth bomber na ito. Ang cost pala nito is noong 1998 $1.15 billion ang isa. Napakamahal na aircraft. Kaya niyang magdala ng maraming nuclear bombs. So napakatindi, napakalakas itong aircraft na ito. So ang tanong, totoo ba na may dumating sa Pilipinas? So ako, ni-research ko, sandali Ni-research ko, mainstream media, walang report tungkol nito. Press release ng AFP, walang dumating. As in, wala. Ito lang channel na ito, itong Military Information Channel, ang nagsasabi na may dumating. Okay, ginugol ko dito sa the 4 Asian Times. US redeploys its deadliest aircraft near China that is stealthy, nuclear capable, and superior to F-22 Raptors. Okay. Totoo, nag-deploy ang US ng kanilang stealth bombers, kailang hindi sa Pilipinas. Ang mga stealth bombers na ito na redeploy sa Guam. Ayan o. B-2 bombers deployed to Guam. Itong last month, June, the US Air Force has deployed B-2 stealth bombers close to China for the first time in 5 years. For a joint exercise around Guam, Palau, and Northern Marianas Islands. Okay. 3 B-2 Spirit bombers. Totoo nga, 3. 3 B-2 bombers from Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri, landed in Guam to participate in Valiant Shield 24, making the first B-2 deployment to Guam since 2019. So, dumating itong 3 aircraft bomber ito sa Guam noong June 13 para sa isang exercise. Tapos, sa video na ating nilabas, klarong-klaro, hindi Clark. Maling-mali pa yung nagnanarrate na Clark Military Base. No more. Noon, na panahon ng Marcos regime, talagang Clark Air Base yan, military base. Ngayon hindi na. It's now an international airport. At sa nakapunta na po ko sa Andersen Air Force Base. Napasyalan ko yun bago ako nag-retire. Hindi ganito ang itsura ng klaro ito na ano bang purpose ng channel na ito. Main purpose siguro is to gain views. Kasi Ang laki ng views in 4 days, 151,000 views. O, malaking pera ito. Tapos, ito ang nakakalungkot, ang daming kababayan natin na naniniwala sa tuwan-tuwa ba? Tuwan-tuwa. So, another purpose ito, baka trolls ito kasi ang message na ipino-project is handa ang Amerika na tulungan ang Pilipinas. Yan. So, ang daming nagte-thank you. Thank you US for protecting the Philippines. Tapos, ang isang message din nito is magaling ang Pangulo. Tama yung desisyon ng Pangulo. Matapang siya kasi buhos ang suporta ng US sa Pilipinas in terms of mga aircraft na magdepensa sa atin laban sa China. And these are all false, So, ang daming naniniwala. Although, meron din akong nababasang comment na fake news yan. So, sana huwag tayong maniwala kagad sa mga balibalitang ganito. Let's check from other sources para lalo na ang AFP. Doon tayo makinig ng balita tungkol sa mga bagay na ito.